In this video, we're going to be talking about how to send money as friends and family on PayPal. So this is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, simply log in into your account. So access your PayPal account on the app or desktop version, then click or tap on send and request and send. Type the recipient's name, email or phone number and select them. Once you've done that, enter the amount, then look for the option that says paying for an item or service and click to change it. Choose friends and family, then select the option for sending to a friend or present icon to indicate a gift. On the review screen, click to change your payment method if needed, ensuring it's your PayPal balance or a linked bank account. Then confirm the details, check for a $0 fee message, and then click send payment now. It is as simple as that. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.